Detox Drink 3. Citrus Zing Infusion. Prepare to invigorate your senses and cleanse your body with the Citrus Zing Infusion, a zesty elixir designed to detoxify your colon and liver while promoting weight loss. Let's delve into the recipe and the multitude of benefits this infusion offers. Recipe: juice of 2 oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports detoxification processes in the body. Juice of 1 grapefruit. Grapefruits are known for their fat-burning properties and ability to aid in weight loss. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Ginger aids digestion, reduces bloating, and accelerates fat burning by boosting metabolism. 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional, honey adds a touch of sweetness and provides additional health benefits, such as soothing the digestive system. The Citrus Zing Infusion is a powerhouse of vitamin C from oranges and grapefruits, along with the digestive benefits of ginger. This combination not only supports colon and liver detoxification but also aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and accelerates fat burning for weight loss. Incorporating this infusion into your daily detox routine can be a refreshing way to kickstart your day. Enjoy it in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits, or sip on it throughout the day as a hydrating and revitalizing beverage. You can also customize this infusion by adding a splash of lemon juice or a sprig of mint for added freshness and flavor. Make the Citrus Zing Infusion a part of your daily detox regimen to experience the perks of colon and liver detoxification, improved digestion, reduced bloating, and enhanced fat burning. Cheers to a vibrant and healthier you. Detox Drink 4. Herbal Cleanse Tonic. Embark on a journey to holistic wellness with the Herbal Cleanse Tonic, a potent elixir crafted to provide a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse while emphasizing its weight loss benefits. Let's uncover the ingredients and advantages of this herbal tonic. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dandelion root. Dandelion is a powerful herb known for its detoxifying properties, supporting liver health and aiding digestion. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid that helps to balance gut flora and promote weight loss. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory spice that supports liver function and aids in shedding excess pounds. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to alkalize the body, improve digestion, and support weight loss efforts. The Herbal Cleanse Tonic harnesses the detoxifying powers of herbs like dandelion, ginger, and turmeric to provide a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse. This tonic promotes liver health, balances gut flora, and aids in shedding excess pounds by supporting metabolism and digestion. Incorporating this tonic into your detox regimen can be a transformative step toward achieving optimal health. Enjoy it in the morning as a refreshing start or sip throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. You can also customize this tonic by adding a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Make the Herbal Cleanse Tonic a part of your daily routine to experience the benefits of a comprehensive colon and liver cleanse, improved liver health, balanced gut flora, and enhanced weight loss support. Here's to a healthier and revitalized you.